Hello everyone, and welcome to the pcX Journey Huddle number 4. I'm Amanda Parkhurst, and most of you know me as the best E&H HR business partner ever on the planet. In our last huddle, we talked about the importance of delivering on our common purpose to create value for our customers. We explored how focusing on creating value for our customers at every interaction helps us to create value for Endress & Hauser. Today, we're looking at ownership, the first of our 4 quality standards. Each quality standard is central to the Preeminent Customer Service, pcX framework. We'd like to invite you to consider investing time to understand each of the 4 quality standards, for it helps each of us establish criteria for actions that are necessary to create value and allows us to measure ourselves despite the challenges of our daily work. Ownership is the first of the 4 quality standards, for we believe it is the behavior to exhibit first. To take ownership of the customer is to begin the path to a repeatable, reliable, world-class preeminent customer experience. To explore ownership, think about your answer to the following question. Who washes a rental car? It's kind of a weird question, right? Most people would answer that question one of 2 ways. Either they would say, nobody washes a rental car, or perhaps they would respond, the rental car company. Why don't renters wash rental cars? The likely answer is because they don't own the car. That's exactly the point. When you own something, you behave differently, and in turn, you deliver very different results. The reason that ownership is our first quality standard is because it's critical that all of us have an owner's mindset. This means we will approach every customer experience situation with a thought of focusing on being both proactive and diligent as we address customer concerns, issues, and problems. Owners are proactive, renters react. Owners follow through, renters forget or ignore. Owners tackle problems head on. Renters hope they go away or hand them off to somebody else. There are 3 primary benefits to every Endress & Hauser employee when they choose to be owners: overcoming obstacles, teamwork, and pride. First, when you choose to own something, you also commit to overcoming obstacles. If you own something and an obstacle gets in your way, you figure out how to remove it, go around it, or deal with it. Addressing customer concerns, issues, and problems will no doubt lead you down a path filled with obstacles, especially when the situation is complex. However, when you act like an owner, you learn how to overcome these obstacles by thinking differently, acting in new ways, having difficult conversations, and building deeper relationships. Second, ownership breeds teamwork. If you own something and work with your team members who are acting as owners as well, you share the burdens. No one passes the buck to somebody else. Instead, we shoulder the burden together. If you think about the best teams you've ever been a part of, at work, at school, sports, or anywhere else, likely the one thing that made the team truly great was the willingness of everyone to step up, help each other, and win together. Lastly, ownership builds pride. As the expression goes, there's pride in ownership. Owning something is one of the best ways to deliver results that make us all proud. Finding solutions to problems, helping customers to win, and creating value gives us all a sense of accomplishment. We feel good about it because we know that we made it happen. Can I give you a challenge? What can you do? What can I do? What can we all do to be customer experience owners, not renters? I'm Amanda Parkhurst on behalf of the Preeminent Customer Experience team, and we'll see you next time.